Hi, this is Les again with the Metro Real Estate Group. I'm just going to go through one section this time, 2.7 on water rights and well rights. Now, most of you can skip right over this because you're buying in the city and you're going to be hooked up to the local utilities, maybe Colorado Springs Utilities or another one, and you don't have a well, you can skip right past this. However, if you're buying out in the county, you're buying 30 acres out of Peyton, maybe you'd better pay attention to this because you may be getting water rights and or a well. So deeded water rights are legal description would go here. Other rights will be put in here. And I strongly urge you to get the advice of a water attorney on this kind of stuff. Not just a regular real estate attorney, but someone who specifically deals with water rights. Very critical for this kind of thing if you don't understand it, or maybe even if you do. The well rights, if you're getting a small capacity well or domestic exempt water well, so something that's just going to supply for your home, the seller agrees to supply the required information to you. And then at closing, you'll fill out a form that will complete the change in ownership form. So it'll go, the ownership of the well will transfer from the seller to you. This is separate from buying the house and the land. Then if it has not been registered before, you'll need to get that registered with the Department of Natural Resources here in Colorado and pay for that registration. If nobody's doing this at closing, if you're just doing it between yourself and the landowner, the property owner, then you'll need to fill this out and get it done within 60 days of closing. If there are water certificates, the details go here. And if the buyer is going to receive any of these water rights, the seller agrees to convey such rights to the buyer by executing the applicable legal instrument in closing. That means they'll just sign a document that the title company has put together that legally will transfer the water rights from them to you. And then it's all yours. Thanks. That's it for this one.